What is going on, everybody in YouTube world and racing world and derby world? Today brings us down to Ionia, Michigan for a little bit of bump and run, front wheel drive bump and run action and some front wheel drive demolition derby. We are at the Ionia County Fairgrounds, ready for some racing. There is a great turnout with cars. Pretty full. About 45 minutes before the show starts. Some of the cars are still in the infield. You probably can see them back in there. When I think time allows, I'll probably make my way back in there also. They're going to be making their way up to the front too. But anyway, we're going to take a little walk through all as best we can, the racing cars. These are all stock front wheel drive cars right here. We're going to do our best to walk through them, get a gander at them, see who's here, maybe talk with a few folks, have a good time. So enjoy the show. We will. Here is Toby Stark. This is our first time actually seeing him run. He came up here. This is a brand new car he brought out. Mo2 Racing. Nice to see him here. Like I say, we haven't seen him race, but we're looking forward to see him out there. He just pulled up. There's a lot of new drivers here, so we are told. A lot of new cars too. Some nice looking ones. Here's Charlie Curtis. This is the first time we've seen him race too. We tried to make it to a lot of the shows where he's been, but haven't been able to. But we're finally going to be seeing him out there running. Nice to see him there. Here's our first van we've seen. There's a couple vans here. Montana. We got the Batmobile here. That's always a treat, seeing everybody sign their names on there. Very cool.
That ain't your car. That ain't your car. That's theirs.
Ford Focus. Usually do pretty good. There's a Bug here also. He's up a little further.
What did Van get for?
No.
Big car.
I had turbo. I wasn't even going to run. I was going to be working.
Yeah.
I told him a month ago, I said, I'm asking for this day off. If it comes to that day, you'll get it off.
Right on the hook. Jump right down.
This is the youth heat here. Looks like they got one heat of youth, one heat of powder buff. I heard something like 9 heats of stock. So they got a good turnout with stock. Here's Jessica Steinbeck. We've seen her up at Mitten and Madness running last year. Yeah, cars are packed pretty tight. I don't think I'm going to be able to actually go through each row. There's the Bug. Bad Draw Racing. Yeah, I apologize. Not going to be able to go through each row. They're packed pretty tight in here. Oh, here's Kill Racing. Oh, there's Rooster Racing, Dennis Marsh. He's back there. Like I say, I'm not going to be able to get up close to the cars because they're packed in here pretty tight. Unfortunately. It's Cody Ayers. He came over here 2 hours away. Came over, was talking to him a little bit ago. He's ready to do some racing. Them are the mod cars right there. We'll go over and take a look at them because they're not packed so tight. That's a pretty fresh one car here. Buick LeSabre. Shoot, dash is all still in there. Completely stock.
Yeah. Drivers meeting's at 3:30 up here at the stage.
Drivers meeting at 3:30.
Yep.
Yeah, there's quite the lineup of cars here. We're gonna wheel through this way, I think. I still got the exhaust down there.
I think so. I think it's okay back there.
Yeah, they're packed tight. Dennis Marsh's car. We're talking to this gentleman. This has 7 runs total on this car. Total. He has 5 runs, 5 years. Before he bought it, it was ran 2. So 7 years it's got on it. That's stock. Still got the windshield in there. Oh, you're good. You're good. You're good.
I don't want to be in it.
You don't want to be in it? Oh, I invite it, man.
Great Lakes.
Yeah. Nice to meet
Brian
you.
Black.
Hey, hey.
Nice to meet you.
Finally, right?
Finally.
Finally.
Yep. This is my car right here, number 68.
That one right there?
Yep. I watch your guys' YouTube videos every time they come out.
Do ya?
I'm like, I got to get to one of their shows, and just so happens you guys are in Ionia.
Oh, yeah, we
Close to home.
try to get the over this, mid-stage.
Tell you what,
it's hard.
it was madness at Bay County.
Yes, that was.
Last weekend.
Uh-huh. I
So
think,
do you guys got stickers with you?
yeah, just got them over there. Yep.
Oh, at the truck?
At our truck, yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
I'm
Yeah,
gonna
that
get
was
one and put it on the
pretty
car.
wicked.
It's gonna be live stream?
I don't live stream.
Are you
No,
gonna-
I video it. I don't like. It takes away, as far as I'm concerned, from the fair. And, you know what I mean? It's just I don't do that. I don't do it. I video it, and then day after, 2 days after, I start putting them up, and usually I can get them up in 2 days.
I love them videos though. I really do.
I don't.
Gives me ideas for the
I don't take away from people editing. That's great if they want to edit, but I don't like editing because I like real time. Like you're at the show, this is the way it is. This
Yep.
is how it is. So
Yep.
that's the way I like doing it. But
Got a lot of cars here.
yes.
Big turnout.
Yep.
Back there.
A lot of stock.
Way back there.
I like all the stock.
His is 1517.
Yours is- Oh, I got it in video. I'm pretty sure I got it on my video. Yeah, I got the whole trek, so I'm gonna be.
I like
I'm not gonna have to go like this, so I'm gonna be straight on. We were gonna go right on the other side of them trees, pine trees, but that was too close.
Yeah, because you can't really go on the stage because if you do it on the stage, then you got all the music. And everything.
Well, it's too close too, and I don't like going like this. I like straight on. If I have to get to zoom in, I'll zoom in, but I like to be right on the track as best I can.
Right, right. You gonna be at Montcalm County?
Halloween time? Halloween
No,
time?
I think it's June
Greenville?
24th.
No, I think there's another show we're going to that day. The Halloween one will be.
I like
at that.
them Blizzard Bash videos.
We're not going to be at that this year.
I want to
We're
go
gonna
to that sometime.
We're going to Rapid City Gold Rush
Nice.
this year. Blizzard Bash is just
Going to Warzone?
no.
They got a nice card.
You used to derby too, didn't you?
No, I derbied one time 3 years ago. One of the other derby drivers let me use his real drive derby car, and I tried it.
You should get out to Eagle sometime.
I've been to that one. I filmed that one 4 years ago.
Or yeah, I seen the
4
videos on there.
years ago I was at
Nobody
Eagle.
videos that.
No?
Nope.
Unless you get videos from every, other
Facebook
page or whatever.
Yeah, I don't like Facebook Live. It's pixely. It's Facebook Live.
Yeah.
It's Facebook. It's Facebook. So that's all I gotta say. It's Facebook.
But yeah,
Once
I'm gonna go get some stickers.
that stuff goes away after so long. Facebook Live and that, it doesn't stay around. It deletes itself. But yeah, we got them over there.
I know as of right now they got 9 heats lined up just to stop.
I know. I seen that.
They moved me from 8 to 9.
Did they?
Yep.
And I get stuck in the little fucking fourth.
Well, I seen there's manholes on this side.
There is.
On both the ends. Yep. This one on this side sticking up about 2 inches. So.
Everybody hits it. I don't know why they just don't put the tractor tire right over it.
Yeah. We were walking back from the food trucks, and I walked to that side of the track. I was like, oh, whoa, somebody's gonna pop a tire right there, tear some stuff up.
Yeah.
Running 26.
Be a good night, though.
Yeah,
It's probably
gonna be a long night. And they got a demo afterwards.
Yeah. Yep.
And they got mods, power wheels,
Yep.
powder puff.
Be a good
Youth, I
good
think.
time.
Yep, there's
Think they got a
there's 2 youth. Then I go, or 2 powder puffs,
That a
1
youth.
youth.
Yep.
I knew it was gonna be packed because everybody's itching to
Yep.
start out the season.
Well, stock is the new norm, I think. I think that's taken over.
Yep.
Easier builds, less money, less time.
I put a lot of time into my paint, but then I leave it for the whole year.
Yeah. Looks good.
It does.
good.
All I
Looks
did was
good.
touch it up from Greenville last year.
You gonna be the Halloween one in Crash Bash?
Probably.
You gonna be there?
Probably. I was
We'll
there
be.
last
We'll be
year.
there.
I was there last year too.
We were there.
He took second for best car.
Yeah. Yep. I remember. We were walking through that spot.
Alrighty, well you have a good one. I'm gonna go get some stickers.
Yep. Just got them right over there.
Alrighty.
Good luck. Good luck.
Thank you.
Yep. These are all the mod cars. I think they got a couple of heats of them. 2 heats. I see 2 heats. Mod. Hey, David. Not a lot. Fun night. Should be. Should be. Hey, Ben.
Superhero one? Yeah. Superman one. Yeah. I see it.
Oh, look at that bumper on that. All diamond plate. True mod. Now, it looks like the stock is taking over the mod. Taking over. Here's Ben Linton's car. We've seen this and posted up. He's bringing this out. The runner looks pretty good. New car. He was up in Bay County. He's always one to watch. He's been doing it for many years. David Laney's here also. I believe he's running Pinky 1217. I believe. There's still a few cars back in the back there. Could be a really good night of racing. Great turnout. Boy, this one almost looks like stock. Not much body work done to it. This is Todd White's car. I'm not sure if he's I'm pretty sure he's driving it. We've seen him earlier. There you go, guys. That is a best of a walk around I can give on all the heat lineups of the cars. They are packed so tight over there, stock are. But believe me, there's a lot of cars here. And it's going to be a heck of a show. Here's a look at the track. Walk up there. Give it a little look at the track. It's looking good. Looking good. That is a complete walk around at the Ionia County Fairgrounds with Unique Motorsports for the Bump and Run and Demolition Derby. Stay tuned for the videos, and if you haven't subscribed yet, feel free to do so and hit that little bell icon up in the very top right corner. Next up, next weekend, we will be at Bay County for some figure eight action and rear wheel drive Demolition Derby action. Sounds like there is a lot of cars going to be there for USA. Stay tuned. See ya.